welcome to my channel. My name is Monica and I'm an independent sales ambassador with Avon, and today I thought we'd chat about my campaign 6 purchases. This is campaign 6 right here. And I didn't mean to match today, but purple is the color of the day. So we're going to chat about these purchases right here. And I thought I would mention that the following campaign, this nail polish is going to be available, and I did my nails in it today, and I think it's really pretty. I think the blue color is really pretty. I don't know if blue is for me. It feels very foreign. I don't love it, but I think the blue is really, really pretty. And I have a little nail sticker on my ring finger, and I've had these forever, and I think I just got them at Sally's Beauty Supply, but I think you can get these anywhere and get them on Amazon and all that good stuff. So here are the nails, and it's different. Let's just say it's different. And I don't know if I like it all that much. It's just different. I'm not used to blue. So anyways, let's put on some glasses and let's chat about what I purchased. Okay, so first up is the FMG Glimmer Cream Eyeliner in Majestic Plum. I just need another one of these. I use this quite a bit. It's like a black plum, I think. That's probably how I describe it. It's like a deep plum, and I really like it. It's not a bright plum, just kind of a deep plum, and these cream eyeliners are really nice, and I like it. So I got that. And I also got the Face Shop Calendula Essential Moisture Cream. A couple of my customers have picked this product up, and I'm just thinking you guys know something I don't, because I have not picked it up. I haven't tried it, but I have been playing with it a little bit, just on my hands. It's super moisturizing. I really, really like it. So this is right here. It's in a nice little glass bottle. It's creamy. Feels really nice on your hands, and I like it. Like I said, I haven't tried it on my face, but very light fragrance, and yeah, it's really, really pretty. So yeah, guys, you guys know stuff that I don't know, so I gotta catch up. So I bought that. I'm looking forward to using that. I also purchased the Knox sunscreen. This is the body sunscreen right here. I'm a body sunscreen, especially for my arms. And I tried this one. I don't love it. It's okay. It's supposed to be light as air. I don't know. It feels really drying, and it kind of irritated my neck. So I didn't love this. So I know that this doesn't irritate me at all. And it has really good skincare ingredients in it. It's hypoallergenic, dermatology tested, PABA-free, alcohol-free, suitable for sensitive skin. So I just picked this up. It's a little on the pricey side for sunscreen, but it's good. It's good. I like it. So I purchased it, and I need to get some on my arms because my arms are all spotted because I don't wear sunscreen on my arms. So sun damage it is. What can I say? I live in California, so it is what it is. All right, what else did I buy? I purchased the Aromatherapy Sleep Tight Body Lotion. This one is in lavender. What is it? It's lavender rose scent. So I've purchased this before, and I really, really like it, especially in the evening, which is normally when I'll use this. If I've gone to the gym and I take a shower later at night before I go to bed and use this, I just have, I don't know, I don't want to say I have the best sleep, but I just feel so clean and delicious, and yeah, I like this a lot. So bought one of those. Next up, this is a little weird. I bought this for my husband because he loves those combo products. This is the Advanced Techniques Daily Shine Moisture Rich 2-in-1 Shampoo Conditioner. That's this right here. But if you look at the print, it's all double printed. They did something weird. I don't know what they did to this. So I sent a note to customer service, Avon customer service, because, I'm a rep, so I don't care that I got something like weird like this, but I don't want them sending weird stuff like this out to customers. So just making them aware of that. And what else did I buy? I bought another Go by Glimmer Whipped Cheek and Lip and Cheek Tint. This is in Frozen Pink. I haven't played with this yet, but I really like these a lot. They're really nice. What I like about them is that you can dot them on your cheeks and then you can take a brush and you can blend them out because they blend so well. So, ooh, pink. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty bright. I was gonna say it's kind of like a watermelon-y pink. Yeah, let's see what that looks like because I have not stuck my finger in it. Let's see. Ooh, nice and bright. That's pretty. I was wondering if this is the similar to the stick one. This is Icy Petal, but I think this is has a bit more shimmer. Let's see. I don't think that they're not similar at all. Yeah, this is definitely darker and this is a little lighter. So let's, whoa. We always had this somewhere. Yeah, they're not really, well, they look similar, but they're really not. Yeah, this is a little more shimmer. This is more shimmer in it. So anyways, I was just curious if they were similar. They're close, but not too bad. So let me grab a little magic wipe here. I'm still loving these. These are great. And they just remove all your makeup. All gone. And they smell so good. Delicious. All right. Where am I? Let's see. Got the ooh, let me put the cap on this before something weird happens. Oh, I also got my hair done today. Checking out a new gal. My other gal, I was just kind of having some problems with color and not getting the right color. And this last round, my roots were starting to turn yellow. And it's like, all right, something's sorry. Is she not mixing the color correctly or what's going on? So I just tried somebody new and yeah, it looks pretty nice. Color's a little light, like I think she could have gone a little darker on the roots, but we will give her another shot in 4 weeks when I need my roots done again. But anyways, I love having my hair done. Love having my hair blown out because I can never achieve this level of like smoothness myself. Although I do try. All right. Oh, something fun. This is the studded sleeve top. This is really pretty. I was really surprised how pretty this is. And so I did buy this top. You can see the studs in it. This is like an outfit, ready to go outfit. Like you don't need any jewelry, you just throw this on, you can go. The only thing I would say is I am going to return it because I did purchase a size small because I wanted it a little fitted, but this is just a little too fitted. So I am going to return this and get a medium. Even though it is stretchy, it's quite stretchy. It's just too fitted and the sleeves are too tight. And so it's not like it's not a comfortable fit. So I am going to return this, but yeah, it's really, really pretty. I just love the little jewels, little silver balls on the sleeve. And yeah, this is your date night outfit, casual date night outfit, ready to go. So I do really like that. I'm looking forward to exchanging that and getting my correct size, which will be a medium. All right. Also, I did purchase the Serene Seas necklace. Which one is that? I think that's this one. Let's see, cute little box. And this is really pretty. I am really glad I got this. This is quite lovely. So this is that Serene necklace that I saw in, which one was it? Was it this one? I can't remember which one I was mentioning. Nope, I think it was this one. I just fell in love with the photo. I thought, oh gosh, that's so pretty. And I did try and find a halter top like that, similar style. And they were quite slutty. That's the only word I can think of. Like, they weren't for me. So anyways, I did buy that, but I did find a top. It's not as low as I think I would like it, but I did buy this on Amazon. And it does sit quite nicely, but this does kind of get, involved with the neckline right there. So it's not quite low enough for this necklace, but I think it looks really pretty, and that's probably as close as I'm going to get. Yeah, so it's like a silky tank, and I kind of liked it. I thought that was a good compromise because I couldn't find a halter top that was, well, maybe slutty is the wrong word, but I wouldn't call this, I would call this sexy. I don't call this slutty, but I couldn't find anything similar to this. So, yeah, it wasn't working out on Amazon. So I just decided, well, we'll just go with the tank. That looks pretty nice. All right, got that. And lastly, I got Paw Prints of Love bracelet and ring set, the dog mom. I had to get this. So I wanted to, I looked at this, but I didn't take it out of the packaging because I want you to see how it comes. If you have somebody who is a dog or a cat mom, it comes just like this. It's packaged just like that. And I hope the ring fits because I had to get a size 7. No, sorry, I had to get a size 6. And I'm normally a ring size 7. So I wasn't sure that this ring would fit me, but we'll see, hopefully. No, oh, I'm so sad. It's not gonna go over my knuckle, not even close. And it's probably gonna be it's a little too big. But I can probably throw this around a necklace or something and wear it like that, or I don't have another good finger. Let's see. Sometimes the rings on this hand, the rings that fit on this hand won't fit on this hand. I don't know why that's like that, but it fits pretty good on my pinky, but it's still a little loose. It is loose. Oh, I'm so sad. I'm so sad that that doesn't fit, but it is really cute with the little bone. Totally cute. And of course, this is the bracelet. Now that I'm ripping out of the package, this is the bracelet. So that's really cute. Hold on. Here we go. So it has like a paper clip, with the paper clip. That's really cute. I do like that. That's really sweet. I am bummed about the ring. I kind of knew that it was gonna probably not fit because I'm definitely not a size 6 in the ring. I'm definitely a size 7. I knew an 8 would be too big, so I don't know. What is this? What's missing out on ring size 7? I don't know about that. All right, what are we going to do next? We are going to move on to campaign 7, which is our skincare. I don't think I need too much in here. I think I've sort of, well, like I said, the nail polishes are coming up. And I haven't really marked anything else that I think I needed in here, although I am currently doing an updated skincare. I'm dropping a well-known skincare item that everybody seems to love to use, but I don't think it works for me anymore. I really don't. I'm dropping this one item and I'm kind of redoing my skincare. So stay tuned for that video. And I think that is it for me. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.